Today I'm going to make a sheet pan meal. Very simple. I'm going to use bratwurst. I have Hungarian brand bratwurst and also the regular Brats. And I'm going to use some peppers and onions and garlic, bottle of beer, and the good old sheet pan. So let me cut up the vegetables and we'll put it all together. Alright, I chopped up all the vegetables and I'm going to use a large cake pan. And you can use a cookie sheet if you like. I really get used to using this cake pan because it has nice deep sides. And I like that in case there's any juices, like in this case there will be beer floating around in here and we don't want it to spill in the oven. Alright, so let's start out by laying down all the peppers and onions. I love things pretty much bite-sized because I like when you pick up things with the tongs, you can get nice chunks of peppers and onions. You don't need to get a spoon out to get them out of the container. Okay, this makes a nice bed for laying down the brats. I picked out 2 different flavors of brats here because I think it looks nice to show the different colors and flavors that are going to come together. Now, these are connected with their casing. So, should cut that apart, I guess. Separate them. And spread them out in different parts of the pan. Because we're going to serve this right in the pan, so we want it to look really nice when you get it out of the oven. Another nice way to cook this, besides putting it in the oven, is you can set this up and also, if you have a pan that you don't mind getting charred up on the bottom, you can sit this on the grill and cook it while you're preparing other things for your cookout. And that's really a nice item to have for a cookout. It's something that most people don't expect to see. Let's pour the beer on here. I'm preheating the oven now to 375 degrees. And I'm going to cover this with foil. Put a little steam in there. It up around the edges, and we're going to stick it in the oven for about 40 minutes. Alright, time's up. Just took this out of the oven. Taking it off the grill at this point if we were doing it outside. Oh, look at this. Wow, doesn't that look good? You can smell all the nice flavors going on here. Alright, let's serve it up in a roll. You could eat it just like that on a plate if you'd like to, but I think it would be nice to put the brats into a roll, add some of the peppers and onions, and there's lots of nice juices in there. We could give each person one of each to get started. How's that? Boy, does that smell good. A nice fall picnic or cookout. That'd be awesome. Try this easy sheet pan meal. You'll have some fun with it and everybody will love the flavors. Thanks for watching. Take that to your cookout.